going to show you how to share data with other users. It is possible to share a measuring point, an entire project, and thereby all the measuring points inside that project, or your entire account. I first will show you how to share a single measuring point by going on the measuring point overview page to the cog at the measuring point that you want to share. There you can click on share measuring point and enter the name of someone you want to share with. Let me share this with myself. By entering more users, you can get more boxes to share with. You can also share based on an email address and so on. Once you're done entering all the addresses, you click on save and the measuring point will be shared with all these people. The sharing will be on a read-only basis, so they will only be able to see the data and see the configuration, but they won't be able to make any changes. Sharing of a project goes in the same way. Share project, and again you will be able to enter as many email addresses or usernames as you want. And finally, you can share your entire account, and basically you get the same page, sharing account, where you enter all the email addresses or usernames and click save. People who get their account shared with are also able to remove the sharing by clicking on the undo sharing behind the measuring point or project that is shared with them. Thank you for watching this video. Go to our website to see more tutorials on how to work with the Honeycomb.